You are not your thoughts. But if you don't learn to master them, they'll end up mastering you. Each day, your mind is under siege, anxiety, distractions, emotions, and endless noise pulling you in every direction. But there was once a man who led an empire by first learning to lead his mind. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor of Rome. He endured war, betrayal, illness, and death, and yet he stayed grounded, calm, focused, clear. Today, you'll discover exactly how he did it, and how you can do it too. These are 5 timeless strategies for mental clarity, straight from the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. Why your mind feels cloudy. You scroll endlessly, yet feel mentally exhausted. You make choices, but doubt them right after. Your head is full of thoughts, but clarity is nowhere to be found. This is the condition of the modern mind. Too much input. Not enough reflection. Marcus lived 2,000 years ago, but the clarity he developed is more crucial today than ever before. Why? Because clear thinking is your sharpest weapon in a world that thrives on confusion. And Marcus didn't just preach about clarity, he embodied it. Lesson 1: Train your perception. If you are pained by any external thing, it is not this thing that disturbs you, but your judgment about it. Marcus Aurelius. Let's unpack that. Most people believe that the problem is the outside world. But Marcus flips that. The pain isn't in the event, it's in your perception of it. Picture this: 2 soldiers on the same battlefield. One sees chaos and terror. The other sees honor and purpose. Same war. Different lens. Different outcome. To think clearly, you must discipline your perception. Filter the noise. See what's real. Once you do, you're no longer controlled by what happens, you're freed by how you choose to see it. Modern practice. Next time you're triggered, pause and ask, what story am I telling myself right now? Write the emotion down. Question it. Is this the truth? Or just my interpretation? Then shift your angle. What would Marcus see in this moment? Your perception is either a cage or your key. Choose wisely. Lesson 2: Master your emotions. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Emotions are like weather. If you don't ground yourself, you'll be swept away. Marcus didn't suppress his emotions, he observed them. Because he knew. An angry man can't think straight. A mind hijacked by emotion becomes blind. She doesn't reply. Your boss snubs you. You feel dismissed. Your first reaction? Rage. Shame. Panic. But Marcus would say, stop. In that pause between trigger and reaction is your true power. Master that, and you master your world. Modern practice. Before you speak, breathe. Silence is strength. Name the emotion. This is anger. Not truth. Write it down. Look at it. Treat it as data, not your identity. Real clarity doesn't come from feeling nothing. It comes from not letting feelings control your choices. Lesson 3: Apply the dichotomy of control. Some things are up to us, and some are not. This ancient idea from Epictetus became one of Marcus' core tools. It's the most useful mental habit you can build. What you can't control, let it go. What you can control, own it. You can't command her love. You can't predict the algorithm. You can't fix the economy. But you can command your attention. You can show up fully. You can live by your values. Confuse the two, and you'll drown. Separate them, and your mind will cut through the fog. Modern practice. Ask yourself, is this within my control? If yes, act. If no, release. This shrinks the chaos. And your clarity begins to rise. Final reflection. A Stoic mind is a liberated mind. So here's the recap. Train your perception. Master your emotions. Focus only on what's truly in your hands. Let virtue be your compass. And zoom out, keep the bigger picture in view. Marcus didn't chase control over people, he conquered control over himself. And through that, ruled the world's greatest empire. Clarity isn't luck. It's built through daily inner work. If this connected with you, don't just nod. Practice it. Live it. Choose one lesson, one habit, and start today. And if you want more ancient wisdom to forge an unshakable mind, follow Rase Up for Stoic fire delivered straight to you. Comment below. Clarity is my weapon. Because it is.